This segment is brought to you by your trusted AAA Car Care Center. You can count on us. So Ashley and Patricia, you know it's getting warmer out there. So when it gets warm, we need to make sure that we're being very cognizant. Big word for me. On your cars and the safety of it. Don't look like that, okay? But AAA has given us some tips to kind of help us out. You know, and one real tip is check your AC. It's very important to check your AC because you don't want it to be hot and then you turn it on the AC for the first time and it's all hot air. And believe me, I know Ashley, she's too young to understand this, but
I don't think she knows what we're talking about.
Well, no, my first car was a Ford Escort and it had no AC.
Oh wow!
Yeah, 1985 Ford Escort had no AC, and so and I lived in Texas back then. Yeah, so
a lot of humidity.
Check
in
your
Texas.
AC.
Yeah. And also, Quincy, you know that now it's time that snow stop flowing away. So take all your winter things out of your car, like jackets, boots, everything out, and you need to check your security kit. Like try to see if you have everything, like the cable, like the jumper cables.
Jumper cables. Yeah.
Yes. If you need to use them and they're ready to use, also you need to ask yourself if you have plenty of bottle of water, not just for yourself, but also for your car, because sometimes you can use water for your car. The flashlight, if you have fresh batteries in your flashlight, you never know if you can stop on the side of the road at night and something goes wrong, you need a flashlight. Also, if your spare tire is inflated to the proper level. So all these things you need to check in your security kit, and I believe you that if you have this straight, you're gonna be safe and nice on the road.
Emergency kit.
Emergency kit.
You got another tip?
And last but not least, when you're going from winter to spring, you know with winter comes snow, and with snow comes salt on the roads. So you need to clean your car. Clean your car off, give it a good wash, get all of those chemicals and all that salt off, and you will be ready to go for spring so that it can then be covered in yellow.
Oh gosh.
That's right.
Right, and that's something that I don't like. Okay.
We know.
Yeah.
Why?
All right, well, coming up next, I know there's something coming up next. Oh, the saxophonist. We got an interview with a saxophonist coming up next. You guys stay right there.
Don't go anywhere. Stay with us.